Hi guys, it's Elisa with Fusion DIY. Here I am in my booth and I am packing up today. We are going to be moving the booth to 141 East Broad Street in Quakertown, Pennsylvania. So I'm going to pack everything up today. Tomorrow the kids are coming and we're going to take all the furniture out, and then we'll be packing up and moving it over to the booth as well. So I'll show you pictures of me taking everything out and then setting up in the new space tomorrow. Enjoy the video.
I have heard it said that if you want to produce a good video, your video needs to tell a story. And this video is telling a story of the past 26 months. I signed a contract to be a vendor in this location while I had a very bad case of COVID brain fog. And I remember very clearly signing the contract and then walking out to my car and thinking, what on earth did I just do? But I've learned a lot over the last 26 months, and I've worked hard at building my booth business, and it has been an awful lot of fun. So now let's talk about why I'm actually moving my booth. The people who owned this business leased the property. A few months ago, they were informed that the building was for sale, and subsequently the building sold. The new owner decided to triple their rent, and there was just no way that they could afford to do that. So they started to look around, and they did find a new location, and the vendors are very excited about the new location. But I will tell you that it was very bittersweet to have to pack up all of the things that I worked so hard to create and move them to another location. But one of the good things that came out of this, in my experience in building this booth business, I have learned from creative groups how to layer and how to create little vignettes within my booth. And so when we get to the new location, you will see that the look in my booth is more cohesive. It is a true testimony to the people that run this business that all but 2 of their vendors are moving with them. And that's because those 2 vendors have health-related issues that are going to make it impossible for them to go along with us. And here's how the booth looked when everything was taken out but the furniture.
Okay guys, as you can see, I am pretty well done. I'm just waiting for tomorrow, Saturday, when the kids come to help me move the furniture and the stuff I just couldn't fit into my car. So we'll see you at the new location.
Goodbye, 220 North Main Street in Sellersville, Pennsylvania, and hello, 141 East Broad Street in Quakertown. The kids came and they helped move the furniture in, and we moved things around a few times to get the right fit, to see how things would square up into the space. And these are videos in the process as I put things into my booth. Those racks on the right are not mine. They belong to the vendor next to me. And here is my finished booth. I really love the way that it turned out. You can see the coffee bar has got the coffee cups and a thermos and some other coffee-related items. And in the back, it's more of a dining and buffet feel to it. The other thing I like about my booth location is that it is right near an emergency exit, and so I was able to open the door and get my furniture in and out very, very easily. So here's a close-up shot of some of the things that you will find in my booth. And if you live in the northwestern New Jersey or northeastern Pennsylvania area, I hope that you will be able to join us for the opening. The soft opening will occur in the next week or so, and then the grand opening will occur in early May. So what did you think of the move? I'm very excited to be in a new space where my booth feels more cohesive, and I have a lot more room on the walls to be able to display some of my art. So I'm looking forward to additional foot traffic and just all of the good things that being in a downtown area brings. If you like this video, can I ask you to please give it a thumbs up? And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that every time I release a new video, you'll be notified. The reason that I ask is because I found out that 96% of you who watch my videos aren't subscribed. But when you subscribe, it notifies YouTube that you like what I'm doing, and then they'll push my videos out to other people. So if you wouldn't mind, please do that. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you think of my new location. I hope to see you in the next week or so when we do a Facebook Live, and we will be doing that for the soft opening and also in about a month for the grand opening. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.